You're a king, you're a star. That's gorgeous, hold it right where you are. The weather's kinda lousy today, so what a we play? She's trying to cast a strap to your back, so semi-automatically dance. He taught you how to pause in the sand, and that's about as far as you got. So what's the use in going inside? It's so depressing when people die in real life. I'd rather pick up right where we left, make it out to faces of death, make it out to faces of death. I could save you, baby, but it isn't worth my time. And I could make you chase me for a little price is right. It's the heck that are you actually sure? The target's in the crowd of love, the people screaming just like they should, but you don't even know if you're good. You don't even know if you're good. A box in the hole in the ground that goes off at a breath, so careful, don't make a sound. Ice marks the box in the hole in your head that you dug for yourself. Now, the negative shit. You wanted to make it, now that you're in, just shut your eyes and flip the cassette, and that's about the time that they hit. That's about the time that they hit. The fuck is up with this shit? It's certainly not worth getting upset. His hands are gone and most of his heart, and just when he was getting so good, just when he was getting so good.